Hey guys, Wick happens here again. Hope you're all doing well. I know the market can get crazy sometimes, so having a clear plan is key if you want to stay safe. Today I've got a little gem for you. This is one of my favorite setups and I'll show you exactly how to spot it on NQ. It's based on ICT concepts, but I truly believe most people miss the bigger picture. You see, the concepts are usually taught separately and it's up to you to connect the dots. So in this video, I'll help you understand the idea behind time-based setups and more importantly, how to combine multiple ICT concepts into one clean setup with a clear and logical stop-loss placement. One of the core ICT concepts is a first trading hour, which runs from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Now, we're not looking to enter during this hour. Instead, we start hunting for setups after it ends. But during this time, we're paying close attention to key PD arrays to anticipate how price might react later. As you can see, within the first hour, we also have a macro time window from 9:50 to 10:10. Now, what you want to do is identify the first fair value gap inside the macro time on the 15-second chart. Once you find it, extend it forward past 10:30. This will become your key PD array and the foundation for your execution. Now, let's switch to the 1-minute chart, because you can still find entries on the 15-second time frame, but I want to give you a different perspective to build a clear idea. After 10:30, price is sitting at our KPD array. So now look to the left and try to identify the liquidity, the relevant PD arrays and your target for the sen. Well, as you can see, price is trading inside an order block that formed right after taking buy-side liquidity. Now, this order block was created during the first trading hour, and the buy-side liquidity was also taken within that same window. But here's the interesting part. Both buy-side and sell-side liquidity were created inside the macro time. So is that random? Yeah, maybe. Notice this price was already trading inside the order block, but it didn't start moving lower until the first trading hour ended. And this is a perfect example of the idea that time is more important than price. Once that 10:30 shift happens, that's when price starts respecting our first 15-second fair value gap. Now look to the 1-minute chart. You can see it clearly forms a clean bearish fair value gap. And at that point, the market basically hands you the setup, giving you the opportunity to align with smart money direction. Now, if you want more precision and better control over your entries or even partials, you can drop back down to the 15-second chart. This is where you'll see more detail, like the inversion fair value gap and how price respects our first 15-second FVG within the macro time window. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully you learned something new. But don't jump straight into a live account. Take your time, backtest the setup, and try to find similar opportunities in different time windows. You might be surprised. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or anything to add. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, and stay safe.